Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yuli, and welcome to my channel. And again, to those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. So today I'm gonna be sharing to you guys how I make my thumbnail. I did show some tips on my video, my YouTube process, and I did not really dive into it more because I'm having trouble navigating the app that I use while using my phone. Thumbnail is one key factor to get someone to watch your videos, and when you get that someone to watch your videos, is a high chance that that someone will subscribe to your channel. So make sure the letters of your thumbnail is readable. I'm gonna be showing with you guys more tips on how to make your thumbnail even better. So if you want to know more, keep on watching and let's dive into it. I don't really like taking screenshots of my videos. It won't really capture the image that I want for my thumbnails. So what really works best is for me to look professional for my thumbnail. So I do take some time on making myself presentable or professional. You don't want me to look like this on my thumbnail, right? I like to approach my thumbnail how I approach my Instagram photos.
Check my friend's Instagram. I'm gonna put the link down below. Her Instagram aesthetics is really nice, and she also uses her Instagram photo as her thumbnail. Check her YouTube channel. I'm also gonna put the link down below.
I don't really know much of how to edit photos, but I'm training myself on how to edit photos. It's really nice to think that by doing YouTube videos, it drives me to learn more and make a hobby out of it. And this is why YouTube is really a good platform if you wanted to learn and grow. I don't really want to be redundant on my videos. I'm gonna put a card on the right upper part of my screen, and please click that. That is, I said a lot of things there about my thumbnail, and one of the things is to make a few changes of camera settings and make sure that you have a great lighting. If you have a light materials in your home, use that. I don't really have that material. I only use the light of my office and the natural light. So please watch that video. I'm gonna capture a few photos of me looking like this. And then let's go ahead and edit those photos.
After taking the photos, I immediately upload it to my Photoshop Lightroom app. I always use the built-in presets of the app and just play with it. And then if I wanted to make some other changes, I usually touch the exposure, the brightness, the saturation, and then sharpen the image. If I am satisfied with the result, I then save it and then open my Facetune app. In Facetune, the few changes that I like to make to my photos is, whitening my teeth. Because of too much consuming coffee, it leaves a stain on my teeth, looking a little bit yellow. I then erase those baby hairs that's sticking out, and I make sure that I erase all of them. Okay, let's go ahead and use my personal computer and type in the canva.com. That is the website that I always use in making my thumbnail. And then let's search the YouTube thumbnail, and these are the templates that you're going to choose. Let's see, I wanted a template that is black and white. Let's see if I can find one. Okay, there you go. I have this, and then let's make a few changes. So in making the title of your thumbnail, make sure that the title is really very catchy, and the letters of the titles are readable. And I already have a title in mind, and let's go ahead and type it in. You can also make changes on your title like for example, change the size, the color, or if you wanted it bold or italic, or if you wanted it to be centered or not. You can do that here using the Canva app. And then from here, I added the edited photo that we just did, and then apply it to the template that we made, and then make some few changes to balance everything out. And I also like adding brush strokes. I like applying it under the letters, and then this is just to make the title of my thumbnail pop out even more. I made a few changes here just to balance everything out, and I really want to make this title pop up even more. So let's see. Okay, I think I'm gonna change the color of the word here even better. Instead of white, I'm gonna change it into red to make it even more catchy. And if you're done, you can always save it as PNG. And if you wanted to add more characters on your thumbnail, you can click the element button on the left side of your screen and go ahead, choose what icon you wanted to add or animation you wanted to add. And if you're done, you can save it as PNG or MP3. But if you wanted to use this as a thumbnail, I suggest you save it as PNG, and then voila, we're done.
So that's it, you guys. That's how I make my thumbnail photos. And if you have any questions, please comment down below, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video.